Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you all how to check your subscribers account, how to check your subscribers, how to see your subscribers on your YouTube channel. So the first thing we need to do is to go on this website called studio.youtube.com, as you can see right now on the screen, on Google Chrome, or you can also make use of any browser you are having on your mobile phone right now, and click enter. So now you will see, you get this notification on your screen when you click on this. Now you see, the first thing you need to do is to click on this three dots icon and click and activate desktop mode by ticking on this option right here, and you'll be brought to your YouTube channel. If you've not logged in your YouTube channel, you have to. So we are here on my YouTube channel. As you all can see right now on the screen, this is my YouTube channel, and if you have not logged into your YouTube account, you can click on this icon right here on the screen and switch account. And when you switch account, you'll be given the option to sign into your YouTube channel if you have not done so. Right now we can all continue. Right here at the bottom of the screen, you all can see recent subscribers, last 19 days subscribers I have on this channel. So click on see more. When you click on see more, you'll be given the option to view all your subscribers you are having and the date they join, the date they subscribe to your YouTube channel. Now click on lifetime to activate the lifetime option to see all the YouTube channels that subscribe to your own YouTube channel, and you can scroll from one place to the other to view this account by clicking on this next. As you all can see right now on the screen, click on this next, just like that. So if you find this video helpful, you can give this video a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to get notified anytime I upload similar videos like these.